Very good morning to all students. So, as all of you know, we were doing poem The Road Not Taken, and we have done with the first two stanzas. Okay, so as I told you, this poem is about making choices in life and how do those choices determine our future course of events. Okay, so in this poem, the poet is standing at a point where the path has been diverged, has been divided into two roads, and being one person, he has to choose only one road. Okay, so before traveling the road, he deeply analyzes both the road. Okay, so after analyzing both the roads, okay, what did he do? First road that he observed as far as he could see. Then second road he found that it was grassy, it was full of grass, meaning less people have walked on this road. Okay, now third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Okay, oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Okay, so in this way, that morning, both roads were there in front of him, and both roads were covered with leaves. Okay, because nobody have walked freshly on those two roads. Okay, because lots of leaves were lying over both the roads. Okay, and how he could guess that nobody have walked on the road? Because in leaves no step had trodden black. Trodden means to walk over something. Okay, black means to make something dirty or soiled. Okay, so in leaves no step had trodden black. If we walk on dry leaves, we can find out that somebody have walked upon them and leaves become little dirty or soiled. So by looking at the leaves, he could say that nobody have walked on those leaves or on those roads. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Okay, still he regrets that he could not travel both the roads or the first road because he had chosen the second road. But regret is still with him. That's why he had said, oh, I kept the first for another day. But it is not possible in life, because once we have made the decision, we walked further according to that decision only. Suppose I have given you example that in +1 you have to choose your streams to make your career options are in front of you, and once you have chosen commerce, you will do BCom, MCom or MBA, but you cannot come back to this point again and start with your +1 with medical or non-medical. So once you have taken decision, you move on and on according to that decision only, according to that choice only. You cannot come back, okay, to take another choice once again in life. Okay, so oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Okay, we just move on and on. Okay, I doubted if I should ever come back. Okay, he was doubtful that he would never come back to travel on another road. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means to take deep breath. Okay, it may be due to sadness, it may be due to happiness. Okay, somewhere ages and ages hence, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, from now, hence means from now. Okay, somewhere after a long time or many years, he would be telling someone with deep breath, with a sigh. Here, the poet has not revealed whether he is happy with his choice or he is sad with the choice made by him at one point of life. But one thing he is saying for sure, that after many years in his life, he would be telling this thing with a sigh, that two roads diverged in a wood, that once upon a time in his life he had to make decision, because more than one options were there available to him, but he had to take his decision and he had to make choice. And I took the one less traveled by. He would telling this with a sigh, that he had opted for that road which was less traveled by. The he had opted that road which was followed by less people. Okay, and that has made all the difference, and that decision has made him what he was that day. Okay, so this is your poem, The Road Not Taken, explaining the message that we should always make our decisions very carefully, because once we have taken our decision, we cannot change back into our life. We can never come back to change our decisions. Okay,